I just want to say we got some more rain. We've been getting sprinkles, but not a rain. So last night we got a good rain, and I walked around and took some pictures this morning because it was too windy for the camera, and I want to show that. I know everybody's used to rain, but we're not. So I was so happy to get it, and it's cooled off today. And I think the plants are just having a big old time. They got lots of water, and it's cool, and it really gives them a break from the heat and no water. And it looks like we might get some more. So I just made this film up, showed that we finally got some rain. A few weeks ago, it just rained, not too far from us, and we didn't get nothing. It was just like a dry line. But now we got lots of rain. Still got puddles standing, and I am so happy. And we didn't work outside today, and we might not tomorrow because it's still kind of muddy. But we're really happy to get it, and it feels so good outside. I don't have to run the water cooler. It's just real pleasant. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Bye. Of course, Belle's is pestering me. I just give her a toy she didn't know I had, and she loves it. She thinks it's really something. So she's been pestering me to play with her, so I won't have to do that. Well, I'll see ya. Bye.